Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to install JavaScript in Visual Studio Code or set up Java in VS Code. So for us to be able to begin, we need to make sure that we have installed Visual Studio Code first already. So you could do that one here on the code.visualstudio.com or their official website. So you could click on the downloads for that and then follow in the different prompts to go ahead and install it onto your system. Then right after, to go ahead and install as well Java onto your system, you should be able to find that on Visual Studio Code. Just simply click onto Java in here and it's getting started. So you'll get redirected onto this page and there is a setting up VS Code for Java development in here. So you could choose whether to install it for Windows or Mac OS, and since I'm using Windows, I'm going to choose the first option in here, which is this one. So simply click onto this and just wait for this one to finish downloading onto your system. And once it is downloaded, you'll just need to open the file and follow in the prompts to go ahead and install this. So just make sure that you have successfully installed this, just following the prompts onto your device. So you should be able to find in something like this. And you'll just need to go ahead and accept the terms and agreements and just go ahead and install this. Now, once it is done, you should be able to find in something like this. So it has finished installing and you'll just need to click onto this checkbox so that it will launch Visual Studio Code once you click onto finish. Then right after, as you can see, it has launched the Visual Studio Code. And for us to be able to begin, we're going to go ahead and create a new file for Java for this. So we're going to use a simple Hello World program in here or code and click onto File. Click onto New File in here and we're going to name this Hello World. Then let's add the extension .java so that it should be recognized as a Java file. Click onto enter and then choose where you want to save this. So click onto create file and it should look something like this. And as you can see, we have a message in here that it cannot activate the test runner for Java extension, but we could go ahead and install this one and reload. So we could just go ahead and click onto that and let's click on to install in here. Then right after, let's just go ahead and add in our code first, or the Java code for Hello World in here. And it should look something like this. Right after, you should be able to find in the Java language in here that we're currently using. Here, you'll just need to click onto this run code to go ahead and print Hello World as a simple Java code. And that is just basically it, how you install JavaScript in Visual Studio Code or set up Java in VS Code. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.